LiteBox Edge-Lit, affordable, low-profile surface mount downlighting with Edge-Lit LED technology from Prescolite. The installation of LiteBox Edge-Lit surface mount downlights is simple and straightforward, whether an existing J-box exists or it doesn't. Before installation, read all safety instructions provided in the installation manual and make sure the power is turned off. The direct J-box mount can be installed onto standard 3.5-inch and 4-inch octagonal and round J-boxes, including fire-rated J-boxes with a 1.5-inch minimum depth. Begin by attaching the J-box mounting plate onto the J-box, using the screws provided until it is flush with ceiling surface. For squares, adjust the mounting plate as needed to orient snap tabs parallel to the wall before final tightening for proper alignment. Attach the ground wire, neutral wire, and hot wire to the supply wires using the provided wire nuts. For 0 to 10 volt dimming, connect the violet to the plus and gray to the minus low voltage dimming leads in the J-box. For CCT switchable, choose one of the 4 color temperature settings using the integral switch on the back of the driver. Once electrical connections are made, align the springs with the mounting plate and push up to the ceiling to snap into place. No housing or existing J-box is required to install LiteBox Edge-Lit remote J-box mount downlights. Simply cut a 3.5-inch diameter hole using a standard 3.5-inch hole saw regardless of aperture size or shape selected. Pull the wires below the ceiling, connect to the remote J-box, and make wiring connections. Attach the ground wire, neutral wire, and hot wire to the supply wires using the provided wire nuts. For 0 to 10 volt dimming, connect the violet to the plus and gray to the minus low voltage dimming leads in the J-box. For CCT switchable, choose one of the 4 color temperature settings using the integral switch on the remote driver J-box. Then insert the remote J-box into the ceiling plenum. Install the remodel mounting sleeve into the hole by tightening the screws until the mounting wings have expanded and are firmly attached to the ceiling material, 3/8-inch to 1-inch ceiling thickness. Connect the driver box cable to the fixture, align the snap springs, and push up to the ceiling to snap firmly into place. After the installation is complete, restore power at the circuit breaker and begin experiencing the high-quality performance of LiteBox Edge-Lit downlighting and long-lasting energy savings.